Hi, welcome to AIMS. In this video, we are going to show how to create a class timetable. So we need to go to academic setup, and here is the class timetable. Class timetable, if we click on this, so we can search if we have already um, created any class timetable. Otherwise, we can go to add class timetable from here. And here we need to select class, playgroup, section A, and subject group, which already been created before. Playgroup general and search. So here you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You can assign these days. So select a class, English. By default, you can see all the values here, but you need to. These are the teachers. If you select a teacher for that particular subject, time 099 up to 0955 and room number 1. Add new from here. Select another from 10 o'clock to 10:55, room 1. You can select another room, add new. If I want to say this is break time, so I will just select the subject and uh, select a teacher. Any teacher you can select and just click on this button, so it will show as break. Add another one, same this one subject, and select teacher this one. From this is break time, so from 11 to 12 p.m. This class is starting from 12:55 and room number 1. Add the last one here because we got 4 subjects for them, so that's the another teacher, and from 13 to 14 and room number 1. If you save it, that will be saved. And now if you go to class timetable and playgroup section A and search, you will be able to see the Monday timetable for this particular class. So here is the break time which already been assigned between this time and this time. If you want to print this, you can go through this and it will be printed in this shape. That's how we are generating a timetable for a class. Thank you.